Today we will be going over how to purchase KOR-IT products through our website. First, go to KOR-IT.com. At the top right of the page, click on the account icon. If you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking Create Account. Fill out all the required info, then click Create. If you have a national account, you will see your Tier 2 discounted pricing. If you'd like to get Tier 2 pricing, contact a KOR-IT representative today. It's easier than you think. Once logged in, go to the core drill products drop-down menu and find the piece of equipment you'd like to purchase. On the products page, click Add to Quote. Now click View Quote. Fill out all personal and shipping details, then proceed by clicking Submit Request. Your quote will now be sent to a KOR-IT employee who will review your request and send you back a full quote with shipping now included. You will receive an email from info@KOR-IT.com. Go over the offer, and if you would like to proceed, click Complete Your Purchase. Fill the next page out with your payment information, scroll down and click Pay Now to complete your order. Thank you for shopping at KOR-IT.com.